Are you looking to create high-converting image ads for Snapchat without the need for expensive design tools or hiring a graphic designer? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to generate image ads for Snapchat using AdCreative AI, and I'll even explain what makes this tool such a game changer for digital marketers. Stick around until the end because I'll also share how you can get exclusive access to a free trial of AdCreative AI, so you can try it for yourself. AdCreative AI is an advanced tool designed to help marketers generate high-quality ads quickly. With its AI-powered capabilities, you can create eye-catching image ads tailored for Snapchat in just a few clicks. One of the most powerful features is the ability to input your campaign goals and target audience, and the software automatically generates ad creatives that are optimized for conversions. No more guessing if your ads will perform well. AdCreative AI takes the guesswork out of the equation. To start generating image ads for Snapchat, the first step is to sign up for AdCreative AI. Once you're in, you can select from a variety of ad formats and then simply provide the necessary information like your product details, key messaging, and campaign goals. The AI engine takes this data and generates a custom image ad that aligns with best practices, ensuring it's both visually appealing and effective. One of the best things about AdCreative AI is its focus on delivering optimized results. The platform provides you with multiple variations of your image ads, so you can test which one works best for your Snapchat audience. Whether you're advertising a product, a service, or an offer, AdCreative AI will help you create high-performing ads that drive results. You don't need to be a design expert or a seasoned marketer to start seeing success with your Snapchat ads. Now, let's talk about the time-saving benefits of using AdCreative AI. Traditional ad creation can be time-consuming, but with AdCreative AI, you're cutting down on hours of work. Instead of having to manually design your ads or rely on an external designer, the software automates the entire creative process, giving you more time to focus on other important aspects of your campaign. For those of you who may be new to Snapchat ads, this is an ideal solution. The platform's AI understands the nuances of Snapchat's ad format, ensuring your image ads fit perfectly within the app's user experience. Plus, you can preview your ad before launching it to make sure everything looks great. It's worth noting that AdCreative AI also offers real-time performance analytics, which can help you adjust your strategies based on the data. You'll know exactly which image ads are getting the best engagement, and you can make data-driven decisions to improve future campaigns. If you're ready to get started, remember that you can access AdCreative AI for completely free from the first link below, where I've got an exclusive offer waiting for you. Don't miss out on the chance to explore this powerful tool and generate your own image ads for Snapchat with ease. To recap, AdCreative AI simplifies ad creation by using AI to optimize image ads for Snapchat. Whether you're running ads for your business or a client, it's a time-saving tool that ensures you're creating high-quality, conversion-focused image ads. Don't forget, you've got access to an extended free trial through the link below, so you can dive in and start creating today.